Okay. So, I see somebody in chat is requesting a Conquest. Now, here are my thoughts on Conquest. Conquest can actually be really beneficial if you can figure out how to swing it properly. This is a whole nother thing, is you actually have to figure out. First off, you're going to see your alliance. Metal is your valuable resource for repair. I would advise using it sparingly, as it can be quickly burnt up. If you attack 3 fleets a day and or destroy 3 fleets a day, you can get 300 metal, which can serve you very well, as in my case, because my flagship heals for 21 metal and can take a significant amount, allowing me to do a lot of damage for very little cost. I can do it 14 times and still have a tiny bit left over. See these pirates? Here's another thing. You see how it says the pirate name? That has nothing to do with it. Every pirate you're going to want to browse over it. If the power is less than 7,000, then even low-level players have a high chance of destroying it. Its HP percentage and the amount of ships left over is a good indication of how weak it is. You'll often find fleets that are a little bit tricky. There is one out here that is an exact replica of one of my war fleets. If I can find it. So see this? It has 4 of 4, but 9,000 health. In this one, where's some of the bigger ones? Because I know they're, see, 6 of 6 and it has that. This is the fleet that I was talking about. This is an exact replica of my fleet and is extremely powerful with 6 battleships. Although it's going to look like a weaker tier ship, because it's based on its flagship. There's a few things to keep in mind when attacking in this mode. I'm going to do a real quick few fights. See, I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to launch it back out again, and if I keep doing this, eventually I can make him fall. So one of the things people don't utilize is they get their entire fleet killed, as opposed to just 1 or 2 ships. I will usually empty my fleet before I go to bed. This is an important tactic, because overnight the fleet will be fully repaired. Also, not guaranteed overnight, because there's a chance that your fleet will be destroyed overnight. Your fleet the fact that weapons like these can be very powerful to you in and throughout combat. I'm going to dodge rather quickly, because now I can go back and repair my flagship and hopefully keep him in the fight for nope, he just got melted at the last second. Any ships that are not able to be repaired, you can repair your fleet or not. Here's the thing about this, is you can have up to 7 fleets. The thing is, you would need 42 ship slots in order to handle that kind of fleet. In which case, in my circumstances, I've only got 8. Each cost of a ship increases by 50. You need the ships very much in order to do the job. To have multiple fleets, Having multiple fleets allows you a lot of versatility in Conquest mode. Your number one player, Stock, probably uses multiple fleets, and so does Wayne, and both of them are very powerful. Like I said, it's important to note these numbers on the side. See the 1 of 1? This enables me to destroy the fleet rather easily, if I could have actually gotten into it. Upon that, it's going to repair. Each ship repairs by its base HP. You can see this destroyer repairing very quickly, as opposed to this one, which is repairing rather slowly. And due to having roughly the same HP, a ship's repair time is once again based on its base HP. That'll do it for this video, as I do not have much memory left. Let me know down below if there was anything that I missed or anything else you need answers on. And again, if you want to know whether or not a ship is particularly weak, should exit Conquest and look at your shop. That'll give you the class of the vessels. As the vessels go up, they get stronger. If you're early level and you don't know Conquest very well, then you probably should not be taking down battleships or more, as this is not advisable. That'll do.